In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to join a Netflix split subscription group on the Subspace web app platform. To get started, open Google Chrome on your computer and go to the Subspace web app platform. Using Chrome is a good idea because it usually works very smoothly with modern web apps, which can make the entire process feel more reliable from the beginning. Once the website opens, give it a moment to load fully and make sure you're on the main platform page. Starting from the main page helps you access the full dashboard and all the available features without missing anything important. Next, create your Subspace account if you're new to the platform or sign in if you already have an account. This part matters because your account is what ties together your payment, your subscription activity, and your access to any shared services you decide to join. As you register or log in, enter your information carefully to avoid any unnecessary delays later. If the platform asks you to verify your account, make sure you complete that before moving forward. In some cases, certain listings or payment options may only appear once verification is done, so it's best to handle that early. Once you're signed in, start browsing the dashboard and look through the available split subscription groups or discount listings. This is the area where you can explore the shared services offered through the platform. Take your time here because there may be several categories, offers, or plan types to choose from. Reading each listing carefully can help you confirm that you're selecting the right option for what you need, especially if there are different group arrangements or subscription tiers available. When you find the Netflix co-subscription listing, click on it to open the full listing page. This is where you'll want to slow down and review the offer closely. Check that it clearly matches the Netflix option you want to join and look over any important details shown on the page, including pricing, current availability, and expected access timing. Paying attention to these details now can help prevent confusion before you move on to payment. After that, go ahead and pay your split share using one of the checkout options available on the platform. Follow the payment steps as they appear on screen, and once the purchase is completed successfully, your shared login allocation will be delivered through the platform. Depending on how the listing is set up, access may appear right away or shortly after confirmation, so keep an